Hi there, I'm Angela of Grassfed Mama. If this is your first time here, let me say welcome. We talk about low carb, keto friendly recipes, and also just healthy mom life. So if that's something you're interested in, you are in the right place. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss an update. So I don't know if I'm actually gonna be in ketosis this morning, but we're gonna test it. So my daughter broke her arm almost a week ago. It was Wednesday. And because she broke her arm, it really set us off schedule. It set me off schedule. So I wasn't completely off keto in the sense that every single day I had at least one keto meal, but we definitely had more splurges because like she wanted pizza and I'm like, poor thing, you broke your arm, of course we can get pizza, you know, that sort of thing. So we're gonna see if I'm in ketosis. I've definitely been using my keto products. Yesterday, I think I ate keto all day yesterday, but I was really hungry. And I know that as women, like our cycle can sometimes affect our hunger and everything. And so I don't know if it was because I was mid-cycle, if I was more hungry. So anyway, so I had more nuts than normal, I would say, because normally, you know, if I get hungry, I'll just eat a few nuts. And I feel like I was hungry in the afternoon. In the morning, I still fasted. I went on a fasted walk. I drank my keto matcha latte, but I was more hungry in the afternoon. So anyway, so we'll see. I'm at 68%. And I have to pay attention, so I actually don't mess this up like the last time I did this. And this is flashing as it's warming up. I love this keto breath sensor. And like I said, you know, I'm sure the most accurate would be blood, but for me, I love that I can do it without pricking my finger. So let's see what it is today. And it says blow to the end of your breath. Let's see. Calculating my level. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because I was so hungry yesterday. So it says I'm medium making ketones. It's a mix of fat and carbs. So our little splurges definitely knocked me out of ketosis or full ketosis. So that is what I expected and why I was feeling kind of hungry yesterday. So it might take me a few days to get back into ketosis. I think I drank ketones 2 days ago, and I may drink some ketones that can help. It's raining today, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go on a walk, or it's not gonna be a fasted walk because it's raining right now, so I won't be able to go on a walk until later. But typically, if you get knocked out of ketosis, it usually takes 3 to 5 days to get back into ketosis. But since, like I said, I was feeling extra hungry yesterday, I was like, I am probably not in ketosis right now. But like I said, I treat this like a lifestyle. I don't beat myself up, and like whenever, you know, I splurge or whatever, it's a one-day thing and then I can get right back on track. And I definitely use, you know, keto products, fasted walks, different things like that to help me get back into ketosis. So anyways, just wanted to give you an update that real life happens. And because like I said, life happens, and whenever your kid breaks her arm, then sometimes stress and different things like that make it where we give in to cravings or just you know, fall back on bad habits. But again, I don't feel guilty for doing that. At this point, it's a lifestyle for me. So if I splurge one day, then I get right back to it the next day, and that's where I am. So I don't really weigh myself. I definitely don't weigh myself every day, but maybe once a week, if that. So I feel like I'm a little bloated and everything that comes with splurging extra water weight probably, because whenever you splurge, especially with carbs, your body uses, stores extra water to kind of help process that. So anyways, I've been eating yesterday, maybe 2 days. I had like eggs and sausage for dinner. I think I did do that 2 days in a row. Filling up on protein and healthy fat. So anyway, so there's some different things that I'm gonna do to get back into ketosis, and I'll keep you updated on that, I'm sure. But this is kind of like a laid back vlog video, just showing you my day-to-day life and showing you my ketosis sensor and what I was measuring, which is what I thought that I was out of ketosis. This is day 2 update of Am I in Ketosis? So let's test with the keto breath sensor. I gotta get this warming up. We just got back from a walk, and it was a fasted walk, but I am still super hungry. So Adam is making us some chicken fajitas in the air fryer. If you have not tried that recipe yet, it is on YouTube. It's on my blog, GrassfedMama.com, and it's also on TikTok, and that's what you're hearing is the air fryer in the background. So let me get to the keto app. See, yesterday I was in a mix. So let's scan. Okay, it should start. Okay, so that's gonna take a minute to warm up. Now, the only thing that I may not be in ketosis yet is because I'm still getting hungry way earlier than I was. Before, I was able to fast until 3 and I wasn't getting very hungry. It's kind of noisy in my house. Anderson is playing Bop It, and so anyways, but I wanted to test to see if I was in ketosis and do that update for you guys. We're at 32, 33%, and I'm not gonna get distracted. And 70. All right, I hope I'm in ketosis. I'm still in 3, which, like I was saying, I'm still getting hungry early. So this has definitely knocked me out of ketosis. But like I said, my daughter broke her arm. We were having a lot more splurges than normal, not just one thing, but multiple things in a row. So it's gonna take me a little while to get back into ketosis, but I'm eating keto. I've eaten keto 3 days in a row. I think today might be day 3. So anyway, so I'm gonna keep you updated, tell you how long it takes to get me back into ketosis. I will probably test later this afternoon too, but I gotta go. Okay, so today is day 3 after I splurged maybe a couple times. And this is after lunch. It's around like, what is it, 2 o'clock? And I just tested at 4 using my keto breath sensor. So I wanted to do it one more time to make sure, but I feel much better this afternoon than I felt. Let me show you that. I got a 4, but I'm gonna test it again. But that typically it does take, let me put the top on. It does take about 3 days to get back into ketosis after you have a cheat meal. But that doesn't mean that with the keto lifestyle that you can't have a cheat meal. And like I said, we were having kind of a stressful week here, you know, with my daughter broke her arm and there were just some different things. And so I gave in to the stress and everything, and we definitely did splurge as a family, but me individually. Because sometimes my kids splurge or whatever and I don't. But I was like, I'm stressed out too, and I gave in. So I wanted to definitely get back into ketosis because I like the way I feel, because I could, the past 3 days, I've dealt with cravings I've been way more hungry. And it's almost like I forgot, because when I was in, I will say for me, it was deep ketosis, because I was able to fast until 3. Like I wouldn't eat my first meal until 3, and I just wasn't hungry. And then I would usually eat at 3, and then I would eat a dinner and then fast again, and kind of condense that eating window. I'm getting warmed up. I'm at 88%, so I don't want to miss this. So let's get ready to blow. A 4 again. 4. All right, so it says fat burn medium high in ketosis. Congratulations, you're in ketosis and burning fat as energy. And then it says continue to limit carbs and watch portion sizes, and you'll see results at this level. And typically I'm in like a 4 to 5 keto level with ketosis. I don't think I've ever seen a 6, and that's the highest. So I'm not exactly sure what your level needs to be at a 6, but I'm pretty happy that I'm at a 4. And like I was saying, I feel different today than I did yesterday. So I definitely would say that this is tracking my ketosis level, because so yesterday I was eating keto, but I was so hungry, and so I was snacking on nuts, and I was definitely drinking drinks with a lot of fat in it, heavy whipping cream, but also MCT oil, because I was trying to help my body switch to fat burning mode. Now, on yesterday was the day, it rained all day yesterday, so I did not get to go on a walk, and I don't know if that affected it being slower to get into ketosis, because I typically try to do a fasted walk every single morning, and I feel like that has helped me fast longer. I don't know, I've never been able to fast this long, and I haven't been utilizing fasted walks until this past like 6 to 8 weeks. And I definitely feel like there has to be a correlation that by going on a fasted walk, it kind of forces your body to dip into your fat reserves, your stored energy for fuel, and that helps sustain you even longer with fasting. So anyway, so that's been a big win for me, and hopefully now I can tell I'm getting back into ketosis after, it's taken me about 3 days. This is day 3. So like I said, this morning it was at a 3. Now after going on a fasted walk and eating lunch, I'm at a 4, and maybe I'll probably stay at a 4 before I see 5 again. But I'm happy with 4, and I'm gonna continue eating keto to stay on track. I was looking at a Pinterest. I was getting frustrated with myself, because I felt like, yes, it's been kind of crazy, and I feel like I am kind of in a rut with some recipes and everything. So I was looking around Pinterest to get some new ideas, and I found a whole bunch of recipes that I want to try. So anyways, and a lot of these I just searched on Pinterest, but anyways, and they were easy, like simple recipes that I just need to get the ingredients for. But anyways, it was kind of getting me excited, because some of these I've tried before, I just haven't fixed them recently, like chicken with a spinach and artichoke dip kind of on top. That was one. And then like the cheeseburger casserole, that's one that's really good, and I haven't made that in a while. So anyway, so some of this is just like, yes, I think I could try that. I may even try to make a double batch to get some freezer meals in the oven or in the freezer to help me. So if you have any freezer meals that you like, then I would love some ideas, because that's something that I wish I was better at, but I'm not very good at like soups and that sort of thing. Like I'm good at like making a big thing of soup and like freezing some, but actually like doing 2 casseroles or something like that, I'm not very good about doing that. So I want to get better. But yesterday for dinner, I made like a garlic cauliflower rice, and we did some tilapia in the air fryer. It was like a 15-20 minute meal. It was so good. I might even make that again tonight. But anyway, so I am definitely looking for fast, quick, and easy keto recipes. And as the summer, as it gets hotter, I definitely want to spend less time in the kitchen because I don't want to be hot and cooking all day. So anyway, so if you have any tips, I would love to hear them, and I'll try to share what's working with me too.